So this is how I welded this T-joint. The rod is directly in the crotch of the T, approximately a 45-degree angle, and I have about a 15-degree drag. The entire time I'm watching the puddle, I'm not worried about my travel speed. I'm just trying to keep that puddle consistent all the way through. Hopefully this helps some of you. I haven't had any schooling. I don't know the exact proper way to do it. This is all by trial and error. So whether this is the right way or the wrong way, this is what has been working for me.